Hi guys, I have a new tutorial for you. Today we will learn how to show only allowed comments to anonymous users and also how to let node or article authors to administer comments related to their own nodes. For this task we will need a little bunch of modules. First of all, it's views. Next, views, Palgo operations, and simple custom module which we will create. Now, the first step is to hide comments in node template in your theme. Here, as you can see, is the default Drupal Bartik theme with two comments. Now we will cut these two comments out and let this comment form to stay there. So let's begin. Right now you can see the default node TPL PHP file from the Bartik theme. This line prints and renders comments also with the form, so we need to edit it. First of all, we need to unset the comments, and this will not unset the comment form. Save it, check it out. Now, right, so we have only the comment form right here. The second step is we need to add the functionality with we can divide the comments to two groups, which are published or unpublished, like as it is in nodes or articles. So navigate to structure, content types, article, click on it. Now this is not important right now. Click on comment fields. Now we will add the new field to the comment. Select field type. It will be boolean, and yeah, single on-off checkbox. Give it a label, for example, published, and click save. Click save field settings, let it as it is. Now this field have not be required, it cannot be. Now the default value, it have to be turned off. Number of values only one, and check use field label instead of this value 1 or 0. Click save. Okay, now let's check it out. Check out the comment form. Now we will create a view which will display the comments right here. So navigate to structure, views, and click add new view. Note that it has to be block, not a page. Name it comments. Show comments. sorted by newest first, and right here display format, comments with links, use pager, items per page. I prefer 10 comments per page, and click continue and edit. Okay, now here are the two comments. These are only two comments on the wall page, but we now have to filter it a little bit. So first of all, add here a contextual filter. Search for comment node ID. This is a node ID of an article which the comment is related to. Click apply. Now click on provide a default value of type content ID from the URL. Now click apply. Now here at the preview at the bottom you can't see any comments because this contextual filter needs entry value, and we know that this article have an ID of 1, so type here 1, push enter on click update preview. Here there are. Now this view shows filtered comments by the node from the URL, but there are all of the comments, and we have to filter those which are not published. So click add filter criteria. Now search for our comment field named publish, add it. And now it has to be is not empty. This is not empty filter equals to true. It is on off checkbox. Click apply. Okay, now we can't see it anymore because none of those two comments are published. So this is done. Click save. Now we have a block, but this block isn't displayed anywhere. So head to your node.tpl PHP file, and we will render it, as you can see here. But first of all, we need to create our custom module and add their function called myModuleBlockRenderer, which will render the block. You will push the information to it and return the rendered array, so it can be easily printed like it is here. Now all of these function and node templates will be available in the link at the bottom of this video, so you can download it and copy paste it. Now the block we have just created this block is not in the database block table yet. We have to full all caches first. So navigate to configuration, development, performance, and click, it takes a little bit, yeah, click clear all caches. Okay, now we know the machine name of our view, it's comments, but we really don't know the machine name of our block which we need. So let's check it out in the database after the cache is flushed. So select all from block where delta equals views, order by where module equals views and order by delta ascending. Yeah, and it's here. Comments block. So now navigate to your node.tpl.php file and type in print my module block render. This first value is the module, as you can see here in the database, module which is views, and now we have to put it the delta attribute which is the comments block. So write it right here. Save it, and yeah, now we should check it out. Head to our article and reload the page. It should be there. As you can see, the view, the block we have just created isn't here because all of the comments are unpublished. So we should look at here at on the comment form. You see here this checkbox which can be published or unpublished. We should get rid of this. Very simple. Navigate to your module file, and now we will use this first function. It's hook form alter. Now first of all we need to be sure that we are altering the form, the comment add form. So put there a condition which says if form ID equals to comment node article form, then continue the function. Now what we have to do is unset the checkbox, and it is very simple. Just type unset form array field published. Save the file. Don't forget to clear your cache. And now reload the page. Okay, it's gone. This is great. What we should do now is to create another view which let user to administer their comments related to their nodes. So navigate to views, admin structure views. Now create new view, name it comments administration. This view should be a page, and we will show comments sorted by newest first. Path it could be. Now display format unformatted list of fields and items to display. Type there 20, use a pager, create menu link and put it into the navigation menu and click continue and edit. Now we want to display all comments which are related to our own articles. So we will need to add contextual filter first. Search for content author user ID. This is the user which have created the content. Click apply. Now click provide default value, type user ID from logged in user. So I'm now logged in as admin user, and these two comments are mine, so the settings and the contextual filter is correct. Now what we have to do is add a few more fields here. Search for comment body, which is right here. Now we don't want the label, just put it there. Okay, it is here now. Okay, so now we are going to add the real functionality and use the Wheels bulk operation module. So click add a field, filter it out by bulk operations and click bulk operation comment, apply. Now very carefully read what you can change here. So bulk operation settings, choose each action as a separate button, check enable select all items on all pages, number of entities, type there 20, and select bulk operation, click on modify entity values. Now check skip confirmation step, and now find the article comment, this field published. Click apply. Okay, now this really isn't looking good, so we can choose format as table. Now click apply. This is a little bit better by let's move this checkbox at the beginning of the line. Just drag and drop it there and click apply. Much better. This here, as we can see right now, this isn't the comment body, it's a node body, so we have to replace it. Sorry for the mistake. We need comment right and click apply, and now drop that body tag, remove, scroll down, yes, much better. Let's add a title to this head field. Create a label, title, or comment title. Much better. And now save the view. Now if everything is all right, then here on the navigation menu there should appear the new link to our view here. Click on it. Now this is our view from we can edit our comments. So check the comment you want to edit and click modify entity values. And now here you can see this is the publish or unpublish option which we have added to the comment fields lately. So clicked published and click next. Now I think the batch will come here. Right, processed. Okay, and it's done. Now just navigate back to our article and check out if there are any comments displayed in our first view block. And yes, there it is. This comment is shown by our block we have created at the first. So we know it's working. But let's try to add the new comment here. Let's say the subject will be unpublished comment and unpublished comment text. Click save. Let's check it out. Yeah, the unpublished comment is here, but let's figure out why. Head back to our view and update preview. Now we see the unpublished comment is right here. Let's add another field which will show us whether the comment is published or not. So search for our publish checkbox. It's here, click apply. And be sure to select the key formatter and click apply. Yes, and it's here. So as we can see, the unpublished comment has value 0 and this published one has value 1, which this means that we have to edit our first block view. Here we are done, so don't forget to click save. Now go to views page and edit the comments block view. Now just write node ID 1. Yeah, they are the unpublished comment too, but this is not good. So edit filter criteria comment published field. It has to be one of the it has to be one of the selected values or checked or when the checkbox is checked on or turned on, then it will have the value 1, but I didn't see the label there, so just try it. Now the unpublished comment is here, so we need the second value. Click apply. Yeah, right. So here we are done. Click save. Now reload our testing article to see the changes, and yeah, as I accepted, it's working. So now we can test our wheels bulk operation. Click on comments administration and let's publish our unpublished comment. Click published, click next, wait for batch. And it's done. Yeah, we can see here it is published. Now go back to our test article and reload, and it should be here, right? Okay, the comment is here, so I think you are done. Maybe I have one more feature for you. I will show you. Type in subject and comment text. Click save the command. Now the comment isn't here, but here, right here, you can see the new message which says your comment have to be approved before it will show. I think this type of message is really user-friendly because it describes why I cannot see my comment below the article when I just publish it, and it is not so difficult to make this functionality. So take a look at our module code right here. In the hook form alter function, see this line which says we want to add the custom submit function after all the default submit functions. So if you ask, then yes, this our submit function will be executed at the very end, at the very last of the submit functions. And the submit function is defined right here. It is very simple. It just pushes the message to Drupal which says your comment have to be approved before it will show, right as you can see here. So I think this tutorial wasn't so simple. It was not for me too, because comments are very difficult to understand in Drupal. If you will have any problems with setting this up, just write to me a message or leave a comment and I will try to help you set it up. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or share it. Thank you again.